So this is another Jerry Eller YouTube production. This is a nature production. I'm just walking out in the wilderness, going down a trail, and look what I just walked up onto. I can't get past them because they're blocking my way, but now they're coming right at me. I'm probably gonna get trampled to death, but at least it'll be on videotape. So here comes a little baby. It's another little Jerry Eller YouTube production. October in Colorado. It's just amazing here. They probably want me to feed them or something. I don't know. It's ridiculous. All them damn Texans buy up all this place and then they feed them Cheetos and chips and crap. Terrible. Oh, they're getting closer. Probably think I'm a boy. Well, I am a boy, just not a boy deer. This is like big time Jerry Eller wildlife stuff here. Amazing. Oh, look at the little baby staring at me. Oh, cute little baby. What's that noise, baby? Aw. Love it here. Amazing. Gorgeous. 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 And to think I was just swimming yesterday. Unbelievable. Okay, bye.